Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see the performance of our MST iCore 2.0 in gold. So, most of the traders they are interested to trade in the gold in Indian market as well as in the US market. See, for everything, our system is the same system. What is the system? You have to keep the indicator in default mode. First thing. Next one, if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. And today, if the market is coming to upside, that is at 61,531, we will be buying, we will be selling. If the market is coming down to 61,324, we will be buying. And look at the yesterday's performance. Yesterday, first what happened? First sell got activated. Now this buy is not valid. So all the targets have been hit. And previous day sell activated up to buy level target hit. Again sell activated, all the targets hit. What about the previous day? Sell activated, all the targets hit. And previous day sell only activated, first target 2 targets hit. Again sell activated, all the 3 targets hit. Again sell activated, target hit. And previous day buy activated, all the targets hit. So if you keep on checking all the previous days data, you will be getting a very good result. So that is what we are saying. If you want to achieve in this market, there is no other option except subscribing to our indicator. Secondly, let me show you what happened to Bank Nifty yesterday. And today also we had taken Bank Nifty 45,300 put option at 9:22, and immediately after 9:22 we got all our targets have been hit. See, yesterday sell activated, SL hit, second buy activated, targets hit. First sell activated, targets hit. Again second buy activated, target hit. And today market has reached our sell zone. So here what we are supposed to do, that is the important thing. Because see this candle, the previous candles are having huge buy volume. Bullish strength is more than the bearish strength. So here at this junction we should not take the entry just by looking at the number. We should wait for one bearish confirmation. So any candle should close below this and the next candle should be a red candle. Now we will be getting one bearish R3C pattern, then you can go for the sell. Otherwise wait for the market to reverse. Okay, so that is how we have to trade. At this junction there is no sell call because of the market trend. So what we are supposedly expecting, this gap may be filled. So today gap down, so this gap might be filled, then from here it will fall. Okay, from the second buy entry it will fall. So we have to wait and trade, don't take the trade immediately. Similarly this also, okay, previous day also we are not supposed to take the sell entry here because of the bullish candle strength. Okay, so like this candle should form, these candles, see the bearish candles and doji candles are forming, and immediate next candle should be a red candle. When the low of that candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry. So such kind of extra filtering mechanism we have taught you. If you follow that, you will get more result. If you blindly take the trades, that also no problem, you will be getting the overall good result. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel and watching our video, please subscribe and watch. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154 through text message or WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.